This is an unboxing and review of the TS100 soldering iron. Alright, sort of an unboxing. What is this, a TS100? It's a battery operated soldering iron. This is the box here. I bought the kit, so it comes with the XT60 adapter to use a RC radio controls, brand new China Hobby Line. Shout out China Hobby Line, sponsor me. Anyways, this is, I'm gonna fire it up. This is the wall power supply. I got it mainly because it's battery powered, and it comes with some just best quality solder. I don't know about that. And then a stand and a sponge. This stuff I will be setting aside for now. But I want to try this thing out, kind of. We'll see how it melts some solder. Alright, so this is it. This is how you get here. This is some instructions in the lots of Chinese writing. And the Allen wrench to put in the soldering tip. Which I'll do that right now and lose some of this hardware. This thing's pretty mini. It's like not really much bigger than this battery. Is it this one you loosen, or is it, I think it's this one. You do that, and then you I got the BC, let's see if, no. This tip, it's angled, it's not the sharp one for like circuit boards. So I fly drones occasionally, and having a soldering iron while you're flying is kind of nice. Focus, there we go. Right, so this is what it looks like after you put that together. Let's try this sucker out. It's got a USB here, so you can update it. You can have it like a resting temperature. Press what? That one. The temperature is going up very fast. So I guess we're cruising about 3. Highest 400C. Let's do this. Battery 2200. Let's get some solder up in here. Solder. I don't know if this battery's got enough juice. Ooh, we are melting solder. And this is a new battery. I haven't even charged it. But that's sweet. This thing's sweet as hell. So that's all you do, huh? And you turn it off. ones I hold both of them. I've not read instructions. Oh, that may have turned it off. Well, that's a small review. Thanks for watching this blurry. I'll hook it up to the computer next, I guess. Ooh. That's pretty sweet. I like that soldering iron.